In today's video, I'm going to show you how I whip together one of my favorite green smoothies for weight loss. I am telling you, incorporating these intentional ingredients into my daily meal plan has made all the difference. Stick with this, follow along step by step. It's so easy. Go and get the ingredients today, and you are going to lose, if you have 20 pounds to lose, in about 3 months. I can almost guarantee it. I know it was the case for me after years and years of yo-yo dieting. I, at 43 years old now, weigh less than I did when I was in 7th grade. So we just have to get intentional about those ingredients. If that sounds good to you, let's go put this one together. So to get started, I'll let you know that I use the Magic Bullet Blender. Go ahead and put 3/4 of a cup of leafy greens down into that. And then you are going to add in chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. I'll go ahead and put the ingredients in the description box down below too, because I just want to show you how quick and easy these are. I think it can be inspiring to see people make them in real time. I want to tell you too, with the chia seeds, I actually submerged them in water and they kind of gel up a little bit. That's going to help for your digestion. It's going to help your body digest those chia seeds easier. Next, you're going to do 1 tablespoon of the flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of the almond butter, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. I did 1/4 of the apple because all we're needing to do or wanting from the apple or even from the fresh fruit, yes, it's natural sugars, but it's still sugar. But what I really want to get in there is the peeling of that apple. So 1/4 or 1/2 of a green apple diced up. And then again, the banana for antioxidants, vitamins, minerals. But again, you don't want to overdo it because too much will spike your blood sugar levels. So 1/2 of a banana or 1/4 of a banana. We're going to add in our seasonings. Again, the ground cinnamon, and you just need the smallest amount of seasonings, but it really chemically works inside of your body to stabilize the blood sugar levels, boost metabolism. Cinnamon does like a thermic effect inside of your body. Ground ginger, again, you guys have heard me talk about this. What it does is help aid in that digestion. And I'm just using 1/8 because I just want my body, my good gut microbes, to know that this is coming down the pipeline. And we have our ground turmeric. And when the flavors are all blended together like this, with the cinnamon, with the almond butter, with the Greek yogurt, these spices aren't overpowering. I'm going to add the black pepper to accelerate the benefits, the health benefits of the turmeric by 2,000% just by adding black pepper in there. So of course we're going to do that. And then you want to do get the plain unsweetened whole milk Greek yogurt. The probiotics of that is going to be delicious and so beneficial. 1/2 a cup to 3/4 of a cup of the plain unsweetened Greek yogurt right on top there. And you can see, I mean, it's layering up so nicely. All of those are chemically going to work inside of your body to start to change that body composition. And then this is a challenge, but I want you to start getting comfortable adding the kefir into your smoothies. The probiotics and the health benefits of the fermented foods are just outstanding. So really, I've done deep dives on this in other videos, but put a splash of the kefir right in there. We just need small amounts and we're going to reap all those benefits. And then I also just, to make it a smoother smoothie, add in a little bit of the plain unsweetened almond milk. Completely up to you. If you like a thicker smoothie, you don't have to. If you don't care for almond milk, go ahead and use water. But that's what it's looking like. And that's it, guys. It really is that easy. I hope that this is inspiring to you. We're going to put it onto the blender. Well, first, you want to shake it up a little bit. And then we'll get it onto the blender. And once it's done blending, you can open it up. See if it's a consistency that you like. We'll go ahead and get it poured into the cup. And look at that. Breakfast is served, or mid-morning snack. Whenever you want to enjoy this, So you guys saw in real time how easy that was to whip together. I hope that this motivates you and inspires you to get intentional about the ingredients that you're putting into your body. If you enjoyed this recipe and you make it, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. I love hearing from you guys. And also share this video with any of your friends that you think might benefit from putting these intentional, gut healthy weight loss ingredients into their body. And maybe they're feeling stuck. Maybe they've reached a plateau. Who knows? But if we can all help each other and actually, end the yo-yo dieting, that's what I'm here for. But I'm going to go enjoy this one now, and I will see you guys in the next one.